In this video, I'm going to show you the Blue Lock Rivals update. So for this case, you can actually access your Blue Lock's rival when you head over to your Roblox. So head over right here to your roblox.com and then locate it from there. From this part, click onto the search bar and search in here for Blue Lock. Now from in there, locate in here the Blue Lock Rivals by searching the actual marketplace for this. You can see in here this Blue Lock Rivals, so you can head over and then click on this right here, and then you can actually show it or use it right there. So I have in here the latest updates from Blue Lock Rivals. You can see that updates are usually released on Saturdays and released first on private servers before public servers. They are divided between ownership changes or eras of the game. So here are the not yet released option, and these are the confirmed releases that we have, and here are the soon to be released, which is scheduled for today, which is September 13th. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.